Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna talk about Chandrayaan 2. So before talking about Chandrayaan 2, first we'll focus Chandrayaan 1. So Chandrayaan 1 was launched on 22nd October 2008. It was launched using pslv C11. It is the same rocket which was used to send into space over 100 satellites which was record set by India. Chandrayaan 1 was also a first deep space mission. It also gave us the first evidence of water on moon or North Pole. But it was terminated just after 10 months because of the failure of DC-DC converters. And it was in this DC-DC converter was imported from USA. And not only one, there was failure of continuously 5 DC-DC converter due to which this mission was terminated. This mission was initiated by Atal Bihari Vajpayee, our former Prime Minister. On 14 November 2008, it discovered water on moon. Now we'll come on Chandrayaan 2. Its mission was to explore South Pole. It also led India to become fourth to deploy a probe following USA, Russia and China. It was launched using Gslv rocket or geosynchronous launch vehicle. On 22nd July 2019, it was successfully injected into the orbit of Earth. Now let us talk about Gslv Mark 3 M1 or Geosynchronous Launch Vehicle Mark 3 M1. It is also known as Bahubali rocket. It is a 3-stage heavy lift launch vehicle. It was also used to launch GSAT-19 at GSAT-29. It is the most powerful launch vehicle of India. Now we'll look at the map of Gslv Mark 3. So first of all, this is the area where fuel is stored. Now here solid rocket boosters are the thrusters which help it to go into space, and this is cryogenic engine. This is the only part which also led to the termination of Chandrayaan 1 earlier, because earlier Russia promised India to give this engine to India and India started planning. But later when India asked about it, China refused, due to which it was later decided that India would develop it indigenously. And here is the Chandrayaan 2 or payload. Now this satellite also this is made up of 3 components: orbiter, lander and rover. So first we'll focus on orbiter. An orbiter is a space probe that orbits a planet or other astronomical objects. It also establishes communication between rover and space station. Earlier, the planned life of this orbiter was 1 year, but as the quality of this orbiter was very good, the life was extended to 7 years. Now let us come and talk about lander. Lander was nicknamed as Vikram. It was named after Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, father of Indian space mission. Its life is 1 lunar day or 1 moon day, which is equivalent to 14 Earth days. It is also important because it was used to communicate between rover and orbiter. Now let's come and see what is rover. Rover was nicknamed as Pragyan. Pragyan means wisdom in Sanskrit. Pragyan uses solar energy for moving around the moon so that it could do some research and discover what we'll discuss later part in this video. Now let us talk about its journey. So total distance was 3.84 lakh kilometers. It took 17 days in Earth's orbit, that is around here, and 5 days towards moon, that is from here to here, and 28 days in moon's orbit, that is over here. It was planned to descend on south pole of the moon, but it did hard landing, which we will cover later part in this video. Now we'll talk about objective of this mission. Its objective was first to study the evolution of both Earth and Moon. Secondly, to see if there are any permanent sources of water available on South Pole, because it is believed that sunlight was not able to reach this side of the moon, and there were many large craters where possible water sources would be available, and because there was no sun, water would be trapped in these craters. Now let us talk about some rankings. It was the first to land on south pole of the moon, even if it was hard landing. It was also the first indigenously developed to inspect on moon. India became fourth nation to land on moon. Now some fun facts. Well, moon is going far from Earth. It sounds absurd, but every year it moves away 3.8 centimeter. Earthquake, which means trembling of Earth surface on Earth. But on moon these are called as earth moonquakes. A secret project A119 by US, which was to drop a nuclear bomb on moon. But this was rejected and was pressurized by other countries, so that it was not successful. Now let us talk about hard landing. So the orbiter is 100% fine. This was the payload which was sent. This is the lander Vikram, and this is the orbiter. So orbiter was to get separated from this and also the Vikram. Orbiter separated successfully and is working till now. But Vikram also successfully ejected from this. But the plan of the space station was that the Vikram would engage and disengage the thrusters, which would help in reducing the speed and successful landing, that is soft landing of lander Vikram, and later Pragyan would come out of it. But at 2.1 kilometer, signal between the orbiter and rover were disrupted, and because of which the plan was not successful and the thrusters were not able to engage, due to which even when the moon's gravity is lower than Earth, it did hard landing, due to which the rover was not able to come out from Vikram. Now what's next? Let's focus on this, that there have been 38 soft landing attempts, but only half of them have succeeded. These have been from different countries, US, Russia, China, etc. Because there are many uncertainties in space. From Chennai, where the engineer named shamuga Subramanyam found the moon lander, that is Chandrayaan, by comparing pre and post images by NASA of the moon. Now India has also planned to launch Chandrayaan 3 in 2020. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.